Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to remove someone from your favorites on WhatsApp using the PC app. If you've added a chat to favorites and now want to update or clean up your list, this guide will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once the app is open, navigate to the Chats section, where all your conversations are displayed. Next, locate the chat you want to remove from your favorites. Scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top of the screen to find it quickly. Once you've found the chat, right-click on it. A small menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, look for and select Remove from Favorites. And that's it. The chat will immediately be removed from your favorites list, keeping your WhatsApp organized and tailored to your needs. This process is quick and straightforward, making it easy for you to manage your favorite contacts efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a little help managing their WhatsApp settings. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.